So I'm here to choose my seed for my one seed challenge. Quite a lot to choose from. Well, I think I've chosen. Unfortunately it's in a big pack, so let's see. I think I want to do tomato. There's quite a few varieties of tomato. I've got most of those. But one I really want to try is Tigerella. So I think this will be my one seed challenge 2020. That will be Tigerella. Hello, it's Saturday and it's the 15th of January and now we've got Storm Dennis arriving. So I've just popped down, it's like 9:30 in the morning, and yesterday I saw a single seed challenge and I thought that would be a great idea. So I'm going to have a go in that. So I'll show you. So the single seed challenge is you take one seed and you plant it, you nurture it, you look after it, you grow it, you do everything with it, you eat it, and then you follow it right through to the end, just planting one seed. Open to all the channels. This was originally started by Scott Head, who check his channel out, and Kelly's Kitchen Garden up in Scotland, and yeah, so we will show you what we are doing. So this is what we've got. So we are going to do Tigerella tomatoes. Always wanted to do Tigerellas, wanted to do it last year, never got round to it. So we're going to plant one single seed and then we're going to follow it through. I know it says it's a bit early for indoors, but I'm going to do it in the polytunnel, and if that one single seed doesn't perform, then we'll start again with another single seed and start the process again. So we shall see. So let's get on and do. So this is my seeds that I've decided to do. Tigerella. So let's open the packet. This one's come with 5 lots. Golden Sunrise, Marmande, San Maurizo, Golden Pearl, Cherry Cherise and Tigerella. So let's see what we got in here. I know they're big scissors, but they're out the skip, and they make use of what we got. So let's see how many seeds we got in here. So we haven't got many, so we'll stick them in this McDonald's cup lid, and that's the seeds that we got. So I'm going to choose one, and I think we will choose this one. Not sure if we can see it. And that will go into my pot. So one seed right in the middle, big pot, just for this challenge. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this compost on top, firm it in. Going to give it a bit of spray. And I've labelled it hashtag 1 seed challenge, Tigerella 1 seed, 15th of February 19, and then it's going in this tray with the lid on. And I've also going to put it into this IKEA bag. This is my lunch bag. This is only staying in the polytunnel, so we're going to try and build a bit of heat inside. This will go. There we are. So there we go. Into there, zip it up, let the rest of the air out. And there we go. That's my 1 seed challenge 2020. So we shall stick that on the shelf and then we shall go to work. Just had a look into my pansies, and as long as they're not weeds, there might be something in there. I'm not so sure about the petunias, whether they're petunias or not. I've just realised that I might have used, I don't know, whether I used a manure. I'm just a bit concerned now. But anyway, not sure now whether I should be keeping the tops on or not. Now they're grown a bit, I'm not sure. Maybe give us a shout, see what you say. Should I leave the tops on or should I leave them off now? I'll put them on today because we've got the storm coming over. But please let me know whether I should take the tops off now. There's no holes at the bottom of these trays, which is annoying. So not sure. I normally destroy them by this stage by leaving the tops on and letting them get too wet. So it'd be appreciative if you could let me know what the next step is. Look at my peas up here, they're doing rather well, since they've been rather neglected. But anyway. Well, it's no good sitting here. Guess I've got to go to work. But it's nice just watching the seedlings sway backwards and forwards, nice and peaceful in the wind. Anyway, there they go. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to subscribe, and ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more, and let's see if any of this grows. Wind's building up now. I think the rain was supposed to come mid-morning, so better escape before it gets too wet. So off to work, and we shall see you again soon. Thank you very much. Cheers.